So Mkpuru Edemede Igbo has played indispensable role in the unification of the diverse Igbo dialect. You see, Igbo as a race, as a nation, as people, um, were so expansive in terms of language and culture. But focusing on the language, I can tell you that there are thousands of dialects in Asusu Igbo. A lot of them that they seem so uncountable. You see, nearly every Igbo community, every Igbo town, they have their different dialect. You see, and for many years, the wrong narratives had always told us that um, the Igbos have just one language and then there is nothing more. But I can tell you that in this country, there are so many dialects in Igbo than any other language, than any other tribe or political zone in this country. So the Igbo language is very expansive, and thanks to the development of the Abiidii Igbo, that is the 36 Igbo alphabet. Ya mkpụrụ edemede Igbo nke dị iri atọ na isii. Thanks to the um, arrangement of that orthographic system, we are now able to unite and unify all the Igbo dialect in the sense that an Owerri man, when he speaks, someone from Onkano can hear him. When someone from Umuahia talks, another person from Nnewi or Onisha can hear him or her. So the Abiidii Igbo have unified all the Igbo dialect so that we can now speak a language that our brothers and sisters can hear. I tell you, without the knowledge of Igbo Izugbe, that is the Central Igbo, it's going to be very difficult for people from different communities, towns, and states in East and even beyond to understand each other. But with the knowledge of the Igbo Izugbe, the Central Igbo, with the common knowledge of the alphabet, their sounds, their meanings, and how they can be combined to form words, the different, variant, diverse, massive, enormous Igbo dialect are now united under one umbrella. And this is a good news because it is going to unify us, bring us together, and